Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today I'm going to show you how to make sure your booking summary is always visible and scrollable for both mobile and desktop users. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to get into the settings for your booking form. Navigate to Settings, then Design Forms and Website. And finally click on Website Builder and Themes. Now look for the orange button that says Customize Theme, and click on it. This will open up your website builder. Next, go to the top center of your screen and click on the Page menu. Select the Book Now page from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Book Now page, scroll down a bit until you see three buttons: Customize, Rearrange, and Settings. Click on the Settings button. A pop-up window will appear. In this window, look for the options related to scrollability. Under Enable Scrollable Booking Summary on Mobile, make sure you select Yes. Do the same for the booking summary should be scrollable, option for desktop browsers. This ensures that your price summary will be scrollable on both mobile devices and desktops. Once you've adjusted these settings, don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. And that's it. Your booking summary should now scroll smoothly as customers fill out their details. Be sure to test it yourself on both mobile and desktop to ensure everything is working perfectly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.